Is this the corniest recipe ever? You're such a big cornball.
Ba 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 ba. Leo cooks things. I cook things.
Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make elote en vaso. Vaso menos. Vaso menos. Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make elote en vaso. Corn in a cup. It's corn in a cup, and we're going to have a lot of fun because corn is good and cups are a good serving vessel. Let's get to it. Corn in a cup. Corn in a cup. Cornucopia. Cornucopia. Let's make a cornucopia. Let's get to it. First up, we're gonna have to do some preparage. Get yourself a cutting board. Let's do it. Okay. Onion. Spin the onion. You lose. Oof. I'm gonna use this much onion. Go back in there. Elote on. Ew. Give your onion a light dicage. You don't want light Dyson because that is a vacuum cleaner and that has nothing to do with elote. About a quarter of a red onion dice. Depends on how much you like onion, I guess, or how little or whatever. You know, do you. You guys gotta do what's right by you. That's what I've learned. Bon appetit. Little rosé goes a long way. I should have saved that for a special occasion, but this is a special occasion because I like corn. Put your onions into the bowl. Red onions. Oh, there's a peel in here. Peel that right off. I'm also gonna add in some cucumber. Hey. Remove the cucumber condom. This is the size of cucumber that we need. No one needs bigger than this. Give it a slight, not slight, give it a full peelage. Peelage. It doesn't need its skin. Goodbye, skin. You know when you pickle a cucumber, it's called a pickle? But like, if you pickle anything else, it's just called a pickled that thing. Like if you pickle an egg, it's called pickled egg. If you pickle some jalapenos, it's called pickled jalapenos. I think everything should be called pickle once it's been pickled. Like cucumber is called a pickle. So carrots should be called a pickle. Jalapenos should be called a pickle. Pickle everything. Everything should be a pickle. Everything's a pickle. Everything's a drum. Focus, focus. Whoop. I'm gonna get rid of the seeds. I don't want the seeds. I just want the crispy bits in my cucumberage. Dolores cucumberage. I shall not tell lies. Don't waste the seeds, they're still good. Cilantro. Stay out of cilantro trouble, guys. I'm gonna put a little cilantro in there. This is gonna be our garnish. We're gonna use this as a garnish as well. A lifestyle of the rich and garnish. It's a little rough chop. Everyone should have lime once in a while. Quit liming to yourself, lime. Let's get corny. Open your corn, drain your corn. Do things to your corn. One day I'm gonna be a big old corn star. You don't wanna watch too much hardcore cornography. Now drain your corn over the sink. Oh. Oh no, it's too far. There's corn on the floor. Why is there corn on the floor? Where's the new pan? Let's do this the right way. You know what? Let's just do this. There's corn on me. Medium heat. I'm gonna use a little bit of duck fat to fry up the corn because I'm an adult. I do what I want. Shout out to Matt for the inspiration on this today. Thanks, chum. Maximum cornage. I'm just gonna warm up that corn a little bit. I'm using maybe like 2 cups of corn here, but feel free to use as little or as much or as no corn as you want. If you want to replace the corn with cabbage, you can do that. Won't be as good, but you can do it. Corn! I'm a corny person. If you can't find fresh corn, corn flakes will not be a good idea to use instead. Corn up that warm. Just corn up that warm. Ba ba ba. Ba, 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 ba. Professional cooking show is professional. Transfer the corn into a bowl if you want. Little bowl o' corn. That fell in. That's cool. No problem then. Now let's dress it up. Make sure you take this recipe very seriously. The feta of the world depends on it. Crumble in the feta. So feta is an alternative to queso fresco. Queso fresco. Queso fresco. I'm also going to do a bit of sour cream. 2 tablespoons of sour cream in here. Boop, boop, boop. Woo, that's in my face. And I'm also gonna do about a tablespoon of mayonnaise. And of course, ooh, you're a fresh bottle. Woohoo, woohoo. Okay, I'm gonna also use a little bit of habanero hot sauce. I like a lot because I like it spicy. Mix it all together. Also gonna add in some garlic powder. Also gonna do a little pinch of cayenne pepper. You can do chili flakes, chili pepper if you want. I use cayenne because I don't have any chili. I'm also gonna hit it with some Taijin. It's like a lime salt. A little bit, just for flavor. Onions go in, a pinch of salt, a little bit of cilantro. Let's plate it. Is it plating it or is it cupping it? Yeah. Cucumber on top, couple slices of lime, little sprinklage of Taijin on top. Cup of corn. Now let's eat it. It's so good. This is so corny, it just might work. Cucumbers are nice. It's so easy. Come on. Quick, easy, delicious. Bye, friends. I'm putting all of you in my mouth. Oh boy.